11, model scout and modeling agency. So many people are not even paying attention to this level. See, there are so many models. There are so many people, they just want to model, but they don't even know how to. When you check on Google, just type on Google, I want to be a model. How many times has it been searched on Google? You see so many people, they don't have idea of what to do or how to do it. Start it in your location. Start it in your local community. So if you are able to pull people together, even if you're not able to pull people together, but you know that you have the right channel, you have like the right connections, you have the right network, launch a fashion magazine. Launch a fashion magazine. Focus on maternity wear. Focus on maternity wear. Maternity wear. You don't have to do everything. You don't have to do everything. You can just decide that, okay, let me cater for the pregnant women. Let me make dresses for them. Remember when I got pregnant, I was kind of lucky because I didn't really get big immediately. So I was still wearing my old clothes and what I had at home. But not everyone is that lucky. Not everyone is able to wear their old clothes. So if you're able to make a clothing line for pregnant women, their maternity wears, something comfortable for them, trust me, pregnant women will buy it. Even their husbands will buy for them, and people could even give them as gifts. So what do you think? Don't you think that's really great? Don't you think that's super good? I want to know your view about this in the comment section. I really want to know what you think about this. And make your own perfume. Wow. And you could also extract your perfumes from sustainable materials, but from materials that are not harmful to the health, so that everyone can use it. Some people are allergic to perfume, but if they are kind of natural, I think it would be a good thing. Or what do you think? Don't you think if you're using like a very natural perfume, it will draw a lot of attention? A very natural and a very mild, or it might not even be mild, because personally I don't like mild perfumes. I prefer it to be like, when you enter into a building, I like my perfume to be like, who goes there? I think I like that kind of thing too. But I like it to, when I use some perfume, I start to itch, especially when it touches my skin. It mistakenly touches the next business idea, a fashion designer. What do you think about yourself being the next Stella McCartney? What do you think? These top fashion designers. There are so many fashion designing schools that you could even go to, and you could even learn online. You can learn online if you have a passion for fashion. And brands could also source for you. If they see that your designs are top notch, they will come for you. Like, they will have collaborations with you. That's one thing you also need to know. The next business idea, begin a wedding gown rental business. Wedding gown rental business. So many people after their wedding, they don't know, what do I do with this dress? Like, do I really need it? Do I have to wear it somewhere else? Like, for me as an example, I was just wondering, what do I do with this wedding dress? If you have like a rental business like that, you could even buy your own dress, your own gowns, and rent them out. People don't really want to buy, and then they don't have any use for it anymore. It's not outdated. It's not an outdated business. It's a business that will keep going on, because people will keep getting married. What you just need to do is to change your styles and the kind of clothes that you deal in. Another business idea, non-organized fashion events. There are so many fashion designers, so many brands in your local area that are doing pretty good. This is an opportunity to bring out yourself into the public, and also to bring these brands out into the public. So if you're really good at organizing events and you have like local brands around you, this is a good time to call them all together and organize events for them. No matter your location, they don't need to know you. Business ideas that you're already thinking about, or are you trying to remix any of these business ideas? Please let me know in the comment section. I would like to know what you think. I'd like to know what you feel about these business ideas, because I just don't want you to come here and go the same way. You must get something out of here, trust me. I still have more coming. The next one is start a lingerie business. Start a lingerie business. So you can decide to have like a pants and the bra and all of that, you can just decide to have that as a business as well. So you can decide to make your own, like a brand, or you can buy and resell. This is also possible. Everybody wears this and this. Don't you wear? You do. And then for the guys as well, they wear like the briefs and the singlets. That's also part of it. You could also do something like that, the boxers, you know. And these days people are even making like the waist trainers and those kind of stuff. That's also another amazing business idea. Rent designer clothes. Rent designer clothes. Oh my god. You could just get like designer suits or designer dresses and then just rent it out. Design your sunglasses. Like design your sunglasses. This is one business, especially in Africa. Also abroad. Everywhere. Sunglasses would always and will continue to sell. You just have to get like the trendy glasses. And one thing I also want you to know about all of these ideas is that you need to research more about the specific idea that you decide to go into. You need to know more about it, like what exactly do I need to know about this particular thing that I want to do. So you also need to research much more about, not everything, about the one you're really interested in. I would like to know if you have actually tried to check Google while watching this video. Please tell me. Alright, number 2, become a fashion marketer. All you need is a website. When you have a website, then you call the fashion designers. Hey, I got a website where you could sell your product. Would you like to bring your products there to sell? So you could just get all these fashion designers together, put them on the website and their products on the website, and then you market. And the next one is become a fashion YouTuber. Just play around YouTube, learn more about what works on YouTube, and you see in no time you're like a guru. You make your own wristband. I know of a guy in Finland. He makes wristbands, and he could also even customize the wristbands for you. So you can have a wristband that has like a business name or your name. I got one of those sometimes back, and that was like number 1 product that I got for myself that had my business name, like my personal stuff, not for the business but for myself, that had the business name. Don't you think it's a good idea? You could approach people, business owners, like, would you like me to make wristbands for your business? They could even share it as souvenirs. They can have it like in the gift, as a gift in the boxes to send the deliveries to people. So many people will love it. Start a shoe repair business. You know, I spoke about having a shoe line earlier, but what about shoes that goes bad? How do you want people to do it? So you can have a shoe repair line, and you don't only repair the shoe, you could also even make it to be something better. There are so many people that they taught themselves how to do things. So if you're good in this, you're good in joining things together, DIY stuff, this is a good thing for you to do. Just give it a shot, and trust me, you are at the top already. That's the way it works. The next idea, make and sell your own jewelry. Make and sell your own jewelry. You can decide to have like like earrings or like neck pieces, and you make them by yourself. I know that I can make like jewelry out of cartons and such things. If you like that, why not? If not, just make your own jewelry and sell out. And even though you cannot even make it yourself, there are companies that can make, and then you brand them. It becomes your own brand. That's something you can do as well. So your jewelries, they can become a business. Upcycle fashion items. I was just talking about the carton that you can change to an earring. That's a way of upcycling things. You can decide not to throw away the things you own. You can decide not to throw away those bottles and change them to something really nice. A friend of mine decided that she was not going to be throwing away the bottles that she uses in her house. So what she does is that she paints these bottles, and you will never know that it's painted. Trust me, you can't even know she did it herself, because it looks so professional and so beautiful. So if you're good in painting, if you're good in DIY, just upcycle the things in your house. You don't have to buy them. Question: what do you think about upcycling? Do you recycle your stuff? Do you change them to something new? Maybe your jean, the worn out jean, do you turn it to something new? Do you change it to something new? How do you do your stuff? How do you do your own stuff? Do you just throw them away? You know, we are trying to make this world and this environment a cool place for everyone to stay. So how do you really do your own stuff? I really want to know about how you do that. Please say in the comment section. Thank you. Alright, so the next one, open a fashion flea market stall. So you can open a flea market. We have some flea markets online, and you can also have like a proper flea market, like a stand, maybe in your area or somewhere like that. Growing up, I know so many people, when they have like old things, old stuff in their house, they just bring them out and they just put them at the end of the street and they sell it out, even if it's not so much, but at least something is coming out from it. So if you've got a lot of clothes, you've got a lot of shoes, you've got old stuff, but they are still good, someone out there might need that thing you really want, you don't need anymore. Someone might need it, so you just sell it off, and that's cool cash for you. In no time, people would contact you that, oh, please, I would like to sell some old stuff I have in my house. Can you help me? And yeah, why not? I can help you. That's what I do. That's my job. That's another thing you can do. Also, fashion expos. Run fashion expos. This is a place where people bring their things all together and then they try to sell, they try to market their products. Just get a space. All you need is a space, and tell these people, okay, you're going to be paying this amount, I'm just going to be charging you a little amount, and then put them together. Let them come together, make advertisements about this program, and then they buy, you get your percentage, and you're good to go. And then you could just organize it maybe quarterly or once in a while or every now and then, and you keep getting your own money. The next thing is start a casual wear line. So you can decide to start a casual wear line where people can get like the jean, the tees, caps, you know, something casual, not so serious. And I know everyone wants to be comfortable. Look at me, I have like, this is kind of like casual because it's not tight, it's not something so, it's not official. So it's kind of casual. So you could just decide that, okay, my products are just going to be casual things. And that's a good one. Make baby clothes, like baby clothing line. It's a very good one because everyone that has a child, even those that don't have a child, they could even buy for people. They can just buy as a gift or whatever, and then you're good to go. And this is something that you can just pay attention to. You don't need to mix it with any other kind of thing. Just pay attention to the clothing line for baby, and you're good to go.